Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make some tortillas de maíz. This is super simple, super easy, and I'm sure you will get the hang of it real quick. This really takes practice, so if you don't get it in the first go, you're good because we will be making a good bit of tortillas. So let's get started. For today's recipe, you are going to need some maseca and water. So we have about 4 cups of maseca in that bowl. And now we will add our water. That is 1 cup of water right now. We are going to mix that in. You can do cold water, room temperature water, hot water, whatever you desire. It really doesn't make a difference to me. Let's add another cup of water. It's a glass like this that I'm using. So you can just keep on doing this for 2-3 minutes. Just keep on doing this. You're gonna get a handful of masa, and you are just gonna make a ball, and you are going to make it about this size, about a handful, like a meatball size. So let's do it again. It feels too big, so I just take out a bit until I feel like it's the right size. So right now, that feels like the right size. And I'll do the same thing to the rest of my masa. So with this amount of dough, you are gonna get about 26-28 tortillas. One of these bolitas is a tortilla. You will need a tortilla press. You can get this tortilla press, I'm sure, at Amazon or a Hispanic store. I have a metal tortilla press. There are wooden tortilla presses, rubber tortilla presses, but I like my metal one because I like my tortillas to be thin. And then you will need some sort of plastic. You can make your own out of a Walmart bag like I did. That's just one whole piece, or you can get a Ziploc bag and just cut the Ziploc bag in half and use that. You will need a comal. We use ours a lot, as you can see. You can also use a pan to make your tortillas, and we are just going to turn it on high. This one's going to be on high, and then this one's going to be in the middle of high and medium. So you are going to get your little ball. You're going to put it in the middle of your tortilla press. And you are going to cover it with plastic. And we are going to press down. To take it out of this type of plastic, if you have one piece of plastic, you will pull it up, get your left hand, put it in the middle of the tortilla, turn it over, and you're just going to peel it off like so. Then you will flip it onto the other hand like this, and then you will throw it onto the comal. Place it carefully down onto the comal. You will know when it's ready to turn over when the edges rise up a bit in about 10 to 20 seconds. See how it's coming up right here? We are going to pick it up with our hand and turn it over. We are going to let this side cook until it gets little brown spots on its surface. Then we will turn it over for the last time, but you will turn it over for 3 times only. The first time that you turn it over is when you put it on the comal. The second time is when you turn it over to its surface to get the brown spots. And the last time you turn it over is when you flip it and it will inflate, meaning that it is ready and all cooked. See how that has little freckles? That's what we want. Once you flip your tortilla over for the last time, it will start inflating. Inflates, that means it's done, and you'll know because this will have little freckles on them. This one inflated and it has little freckles. Here we are. We have our 26-28 tortillas. If you are going to eat your tortillas right now, I recommend you stack them up like this and enjoy them nice and hot. Once you have enjoyed your tortillas, you may have some leftovers. If you do have leftovers, I recommend you do this. Spread out your tortillas like I have them here. Wait for 2 to 3 hours for them to cool off and cover them with a tablecloth. After 2 to 3 hours, your tortillas should be nice and cold. Now you should stack them up like this. Once you stack up all your tortillas, get you a tablecloth and wrap them in a tablecloth like this. I then store the tortillas in a plastic bag. That is optional. Place them in a fridge and they will last for 2 to 3 weeks. Alright you guys, so we are done. We have our tortillas right here. If you are ready to eat, just put it in a kitchen cloth and cover it up and serve them like this on your table. But if you are not ready to eat them yet, just let them cool down. Separate them like I showed you previously, and they are going to be ready to eat whenever you want. You can just heat them up in the comal or in the microwave. I prefer the comal because in the microwave they get cold really easily and I don't like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You can eat this con salecita, con quesito. Just pour a little salt in there. Te haces un taquito and it's really good. Y calientitas, recién hechas, really good. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.